Everyone, this is Cindy Crying at the Heart, and I'm back with some more cards, Christmas cards, holiday cards to share. They could be winter cards in some cases. I believe, yeah, they're using, I also have another stamp set that I use, which is this little gingerbread town one from CC Designs, as well as the Christmas cuties, and then, of course, my Not Too Shabby, which I've been using. You can get the Nottooshabbyshop. So, and this paper, which is 2015, and my goal, of course, is to kill this one. So we'll see how I do. I think I'm doing pretty good on that one. And so this is my card. So this is the first one. Oh, I also used my favorite die from La La Land. Not La La Land, I'm sorry, Lawn Fawn. So they have these ones with all the words, and I love it. So here we go, right here. Kept this one very, very simple because the paper is super cute. And I just used candy canes and peppermint. And in this sort of foil paper, I did the Be Merry. And I think it's really cute. I think it came out really, really nice because that paper is super cute. So there's that one. And then this one right here is also using the stamps. All the stamps are from Nottooshabbyshop. And I really like how that one came out. Really simple, cute. I just love that paper. I'll be sad when it's gone, but there's always more paper, right? So here I made a little scene. And I used some dies from my stash. These little dies that make these little hills. So snow hills, and I colored in my little gingerbread house. And then I have these really cute Christmas cuties, which I've colored up. I've done some stickling on some of them. And then I used that same paper and that same die, Be Merry, on here, along with that cute paper that I got from Craftsmith Michaels. And so, and I did mention this in my other video, but these are all from one coloring session. I colored and stamped a bunch of stuff. And then I just cut them all out and I stickled them and, all of that goodness. And then I went ahead and I made my cards. And so I was able to make quite a few cards pretty quickly. I was able to do 6 cards fairly quickly, which normally would take me a whole week to do 6 cards. And so the coloring was like 1 or 2 days, and then putting all these cards together. So I probably saved like at least 2 days, maybe more. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Crying at the Heart.